I have a video tip for you guys. So, I bought this convection oven for so long. I've had it for so long, and it's an Excelvan. I don't know if it's a popular brand, but I've had this for so many years. I would say like 5 years. And what happened was the cable, this one right here, because of all the twisting and everything, it broke. Basically it broke. This part here opened up, the rubber, right? So I went to Amazon looking for a cable that will work for this. The one I received doesn't even fit. So I figured, maybe I can use my computer cable, who knows, right? And it fits like a glove. So if you have a computer cable, an old one, you can actually use it for your convection oven. I mean, for this model. I'm not sure about the other convection oven, but for this, it fits like a glove. See, it's actually working. I'm happy I'm able to use it.